Okay, so the other day, no, I'm kidding. I don't know. Yeah, I'm recording you guys eating. This is like the last supper.
Oh my god. No, it's tomorrow?
Oh shit, yeah. Whatever, same shit. I'm sorry.
You sound terrible.
Whatever. Huh?
Your voice sounds terrible. Are you sick?
I've been sick, yeah.
Your back hurt.
No, it doesn't hurt actually. Not as much
Your
as...
back hurt.
No!
Your back hurt.
No! No.
You sound funny when you're sick.
Gee, thanks.
Can I fix your back?
No.
Okay, look at dude that has the eyes of a girl.
Wow.
He has the eyes of a girl.
Eyes of a girl.
Eyes of a girl. His eyelashes are like huge. That's why they're like. Look at his eyes. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm pointing. He looks over here. My bad.
I'm looking at the random people. The random people. Oh, that's random. She's like...
Posing.
Totally. Poser! Not you, no. This is fun. I should do this like every day. Wait, I'm not gonna be here every day now. Never mind. What the hell is that? Oh, a pizza? Oh. It's gonna fall. No! Get out of there. Beep, beep. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off.
Chicken nuggets. Do you want one?
Yeah, that was random. Wait, what kind of chicken? Let's turn the camera over here. What kind of chicken?
Chicken, like live chicken.
Live chicken?
Yeah, the ones that gobble.
What?
No, those are turkeys.
Gobble, gobble.
Do your parents want one? They're free.
I didn't know chickens gobble.
What am I gonna do with the chicken?
Kill it and eat it.
To you. I'm kidding.
They taste pretty good. Turkey, make You want me to soup out of one of them?
No! I do not kill animals. I'm totally peed up for what it's Peter, right? Yeah. Well, that's different because I didn't kill it. So, like, it's fine. As long as I don't kill it, I'm fine, okay? You killed that cow, didn't you? Sorry. Oh, what the hell happened to your boob?
I must spit milk on again.
Ew. Spit this way.
No.
Today's Tuesday, right?
Look at Chuck. That'd be funny. He's like bashing the car.
There's my senior prank or whatever.
Watch it crash into school.
Oops. My bad.
Bad. Didn't mean to.
What if there was no one in there?
A midget. Felicia Carter!
That's the mean of you.
Well, she's mean first.
She's been the same height for the past, what, year?
No, not 4. Since like 4th grade.
7th grade.
4th grade. Why do I always like go back to Felicia Carter? I feel so bad. Every time like I see a short person, I'm like, Felicia Carter.
By him.
Shut up.
Oh my god, you do!
No, I'm kidding. Shut up.
Is it a yes? What was your nose?
Like what? Oh yeah, baby, yeah.
That one's great.
4. No, I'm kidding. She's the lady that kicked me out the other day, bitch. couldn't even say happy birthday to my friend. Oh, sorry. There's no camera over here, okay? Shut up!
Sandra was wondering if she was pregnant.
Oh, hey!
She's not. She's just...
You know who's Abby Martinez?
Wait, who?
She's pregnant.
She is? Yeah.
Wait! But she dropped out.
Really? Just
Yeah.
because you're pregnant doesn't mean you have to drop out.
No, she already dropped out like
He just put on
forever
the
ago. Yeah.
You're not supposed to do that.
I know. She only has 1 more year to go, and she decided to give it up.
He's okay.
Damn.
Who's okay? Who is okay? Me.
Oh, just look at her. She's more than okay. Oh, yeah. Huh?
What did you say?
Nothing. Yeah, nothing, huh?
Okay, no, that is beyond disgusting, okay? That is, no. That is, ew, that is never gonna happen, ew. No.
Why, you're supposed to have sex with him? What?
What?
I know you said that's never gonna happen. So what's never gonna happen?
Nothing.
Nothing is never gonna happen. Okay.
Are you serious?
What?
Nothing's never going to happen?
Read my shirt. Why so serious? Is that serious?
I didn't know that was serious.
Maria's never serious.
You're talking to the wrong person.
What are you talking about?
Huh?
Maria's always laughing. What are you talking about?
I don't know. She's laughing because, I don't know, and I'm laughing because she's laughing.
We have a barbecue tomorrow.
Barbecue tomorrow, what? I'm not invited, as usual. Nobody invites you to anything.
It's for 5th period.
5th period?
Yeah, it's going to be outside by the horseshoe.
For what?
I don't know.
You guys aren't seniors, are you? Are you?
No, it's for cooking art foods, cooking part.
Can I go?
I don't know.
Please?
I don't know.
Please? I want to go.